in terms of the recap on how to have that mentality you need to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths. The first thing we discussed about is the fact that do you actually want to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths? That's the first important fact, is that do you want to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths? Do you actually want to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths? There's a difference. You can take this half-hearted or you can actually want it, and that's the difference between a grade 9 student's mentality and a grade 5 student's mentality or a grade 7 mentality. There's a difference. So that mentality of wanting to get it will be very important, and that is a secret that a lot of students do not know about. Another secret mentality that students have is they use their teacher as much as they can, and we discussed about this in this video. You don't want to regret this after. Use your teacher as much as you can and make the most out of them, because as I mentioned, your teacher is not going to feel bad for you when you get poor results. Their life moves on. You don't want to feel bad about yourself at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're the only one that will feel bad for yourself when you get bad results. So use your teacher, use the opportunity that is there, and make the most out of it. The next part is important to focus on your lessons, or you're wasting valuable time, in my opinion. Focus on your lessons. A lot of students come to me for tuition and say that I haven't focused in my lesson, and they come to me to learn learn a particular topic, to learn maths overall, to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths. Focus on your lessons. Effort is something that I talked about. Don't get fooled by students that mess about in class but get good results in exams, because they put the effort that you don't see. You don't know how many hours they spent after school revising, so you don't know that. So put the effort in your class. And finally, practice makes progress, and that will lead to perfectness at the end of the day. Continue to practice, continue to work, and the work that you put in, the effort that you put in, the focus that you have in your class, the opportunity to use your teacher, and the want to actually get a grade 9 in GCSE maths will get you closer to getting that grade 9 in GCSE maths.